We only have 6 weeks left of 2023. We've accomplished some goals and probably left some behind. And now we're beginning to think about how we can make 2024 our best year yet. But we all know that can't be done without proper planning. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to end 2023 with a bang and live your best life starting January 1st. Hey guys, what up and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing some 2024 planning. So I'm really excited for this video because it means it's time to redo my vision board, readjust my goals, and think of a few new goals for 2024. It is November 18th when I'm filming this video, so 2023 is truly fleeting and it's just time to start planning. I'm gonna have this video separated into chapters so you can skip to the most important part for you. But I'm gonna be starting off with some vision board planning. Now, I need to go on Pinterest and choose some photos that really emulate the goals that I want to accomplish next year. But before I even get there, I'm gonna start thinking about a few different categories. And while I'm thinking of these categories, I'm going to make a list on my phone. I like to have lists on my phone if I'm away from home and maybe I can't see my vision board. So vision board 2024, the categories are going to be health, wellness, work, and I'm going to include YouTube as work because I have had the goal to be monetized for quite a few years now. It would really help me out if you liked this video, commented down below what one of your 2024 goals are, and hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you never miss an upload from me. Now that I have my main topics, I'm gonna go in and come up with a few goals for each topic. So health, I would really like to work out 3 times a week consistently. For wellness, I would really like to meditate daily as a goal. I have never been able to hold on to that goal. And that's something I really want to try. For work, I would really like to be promoted or get a marketing position. I'm gonna say make my first $300 on YouTube. So that implies that I'll be monetized. As far as finances go, I have a couple student loans that I'm really working on right now. I wanted to show you guys my current vision board and just go over it. I think I've gone over it a couple times on my channel before, but some of these pictures are just pretty old and I want to redo them. And then a lot of these things I accomplished. So I wanted to travel. I went to New York and Texas, and New York was really high on my list. For wellness, I've definitely been reading a lot more. I still haven't really meditated very much this year, so like I said, that's a goal for me. I have been eating a lot more whole foods, and I did buy a new camera. So at the beginning of last year, I just broke my camera, and of course I bought a new one because I kind of needed to. I did dye my hair darker, which was this color, or this picture. This actually feels really weird because I've had this vision board for such a long time. And the fact that I'm taking off these pictures because I've accomplished things on this vision board is really cool. But I'm definitely ready to kind of bring in a new era of goals. I really feel like every single year goes by so fast, but I really get to know myself, who I am as a person, more and more as I grow. And I think that really comes from, you know, adversities that I've gone through, just harder times. I've started to really try to look at, you know, difficult things as lessons instead of like, oh, why me? But turning it into a, like, what is this teaching me kind of mindset, if that makes any sense. Oh, look at this empty board. So many chances for opportunities and growth this year. I'm really looking forward to 2024. I feel like really hopeful about it, especially when it comes to my YouTube channel. You know, I talk about it all the time, but my YouTube channel is really special to me. I actually started YouTube when I was in high school and or maybe middle school, and I just never really stuck to it. I really wish that I did, of course. Everyone says that. All right, we're back on the couch because this is where the planning is about to go down. I am gonna go on Pinterest and start looking for pictures for my board, and then I'm gonna get them printed. I want every picture to really align with my goals, so I'm gonna have my vision board pulled up, so I'm making sure that I'm grabbing pictures for each section. So I created a little background for myself. This is going to be my new wallpaper, but I'm also going to print out some of these photos and put them up on my vision board as well. But I wanted to have like a constant reminder of my goals whenever I go on my computer. So I'm going to change that to my background now. Okay, I kind of feel like I need more pictures. These all seem really, really big to me. So I might go back to the drawing board. So I updated it and I like it so much more now. I think it's super cute, and just now every time I open my laptop, I just get a little hint of inspiration. So just uploading my photos. I have a lot. I really like this one. I need to go and select them. I think it's about 39 cents a photo, so I don't know, probably less than 20 bucks. So I have 24 photos total. Oh, it's $10. Okay, so that's not bad. I just want to look through them. I want to talk about goal setting for a second because it's really, really easy to just set goals and forget about it. But that's not what we want to do in 2024. That's not the energy we want to bring into this year. And this comes down to how you actually structure your goals. So this year, I'm actually going to be setting SMART goals for myself. So SMART means specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bound. So if you are maybe wanting to grow on YouTube, for example, don't just say, I want more subscribers, I want more watch time. That more is not specific enough. In order to get really specific, you would want to set a goal that was, I want to gain 1,000 subscribers and 2,000 watch hours within 6 months, and that is my specific goal. That goal is measurable because you can actually filter 6 months on YouTube Studio. So on like your analytics, you can filter that and look at, you know, how far you are in 3 months, how far you are in 6 months. It is a measurable goal. And then number 3, attainable. Don't expect, 1,000 subscribers overnight. Make sure you are chunking out your goal into attainable, realistic pieces, and then build from there. And along with attainable, you want your goal to be realistic. So take a step back and take an honest look at where you are and ask yourself, can I really go to the gym at 5 a.m. every single day with, my 9-to-5 job, with my child, with my cat, with my dog, with my boyfriend, all needing my attention at 5:30 a.m. I don't know if that's ever a scenario that you're gonna be in, but that's not a realistic goal. And don't forget the hurdles that you're gonna have to overcome. A lot of goal setting is not necessarily about having that spurt of motivation. It's more about that discipline to stay consistent when times get tough. So yes, right now I'm feeling very motivated about my goals for 2024, but a couple weeks from now, when it gets a little colder, it gets a little darker, I'm gonna really have to grind and plan and continue on my journey, even when the time and the going gets tough. Last but not least, make it time bound. Give yourself a specific time. So like at the beginning we said, I want to get 1,000 subscribers and 2,000 watch hours in 6 months. And that is your time. So 6 months is your time. So make sure that you are, doing a check every single month, looking at, okay, how many videos did I post? How many subscribers did I get? And then, take a realistic look at that and say, okay, well, I posted 5 videos. I need to post 6 in order to actually reach this goal. So keeping goals smart is really, really helpful. It's a little bit later, the sun is setting, it's 4:22, and I need to go to Walmart and pick up those photos. So let's go. Why is the flash on? All right, guys, I made it to Walmart. So I got my photos and it's getting really dark out. It's only 5:15, cries in daylight savings. But I also I got like some random groceries, but I got these wine glasses. You can't really see them. I've been needing a new pair of wine glasses because a lot of mine are broken. So after pouring myself a glass of red wine, I started going through all the photos, and what I'm doing here is just trying to figure out how I want them to lay on the page, and then I started trimming them and just putting them together in a way that made sense. I definitely had some leftover photos, and if you're going to be printing photos from Pinterest, I would suggest printing a lot because some of them don't come out as clear as you might want them, so it's good to have a few extra options. And then after I've trimmed them and kind of figured out my orientation, I started taping them down and trimming them a little bit more. I'm using blue painter's tape. Honestly, I would suggest a glue stick if you have one. Okay, I finished my vision board and let me bring it to the light. I love it so much. Hey guys, it is the next morning and I wanted to go over my vision board in a little bit more detail with y'all. So this is the finished board, as you saw. I did put a little sticky note up here. These are just some like kind of tangible numbers goals, so I wanted to write them down. I've been doing this for a couple years now and it's always so satisfying to cross these items out. I also usually like put a date on them to see how early in the year or when I accomplish these goals. I wouldn't say these are like yearly goals, but they're just something that I think I could probably do in a year. I have my board, so I have my kind of fitness era down here, eating healthy, making sure that I'm getting all of my fruits and veggies in. I have a lot of YouTube stuff here in this corner. I have an alarm clock that is set for 6 a.m. and then a quote that says, "I don't chase, I attract. Whatever belongs to me will simply find me," as the heart. And then I have like outdoor activities with friends, cooking at home, journaling, drinking water, self-care. And that's pretty much it for my board. I really, really like how it turned out. I did follow those categories, but I keep my goals written down on my phone or in my Notion. I also filmed a really big grocery haul like a week ago, so I'm gonna roll that footage. I am off to the grocery store. And I'm really excited for this grocery run because I don't need to plan a ton of meals because Brian and I are gonna try a meal delivery service. Let's go buy some fruit mostly. So I just got done at the grocery store and I got a lot of beverages. So my total came out to like $90, but I had $53 in cash. So technically I only spent like $40. So that means I deserve a little treat, and I really have been wanting to try a Starbucks matcha, like an iced matcha, because I've never had one before and just they look so cute. I would love to be a matcha drinker. Hi. Thank you so much. You too. I'm gonna taste test it for you guys because it's my first time. Let me get in park here and put my credit card away before I lose it. It looks really cute. I'm excited. I hope it's good. I've literally never had matcha in my life. I don't really know why. I just always go for coffee if I'm gonna spend, you know, $7 on a drink, but I was feeling kind of risky today, kind of crazy, and I just wanted to try this because you gotta try new things. It's good. Oh my gosh. With the pumpkin cold foam, I heard somebody like on TikTok doing that and I had to try it. So I don't know like what kind of sweetener they put in this, and this is done with whole milk. Normally I'd go with oat, but they didn't have it. So sometimes I get stuck in little ruts and I just like don't try new things at all. Like, and this is something really small, but I've honestly thought about trying a matcha from Starbucks for like years, to be honest, but I just never tried it. So I'm really happy that I finally tried this and I really like it. So this might be a new thing for me. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. The worst part is I have to make another trip. All right, y'all. Let's do a little grocery haul, shall we? Starting off with some drinks. I have some LaCroix, some sweet tea, eggs. This is my favorite yogurt of all time. And then I have some red cabbage, broccoli, and cauliflower. So this is gonna be for my fall coleslaw. I'm trying to eat more fruit, so I got some raspberries, some strawberries, 2 apples. I have a sweet potato. I'm really obsessed with these. I do have some prep to do with these groceries, and that's also part of, let me turn you around. Part of the reason why I don't always eat like fruit or vegetables that much is because, well, not that much, like I do eat them, but I want to eat them more. This is so cute. I love it. It's so pink. All right, next thing, I'm gonna do the pineapple and then the coleslaw. So I'm gonna start chopping. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, make sure to give this video a like. Comment down below what your 2024 goal is, maybe your top 3 if you feel like it. And make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll be coming out with new videos every week, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Arguing again, arguing about something so simple. Make it clear, tell me why you're running back to hand. Feeling insecure, feeling like there's more to your character. Every tear that you cry is worth it.